version and updates. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and next go to Settings. Enter System and go to Software Update. Now you can check if there's any update available. And if there is, the car will automatically download it. Here you can check MPU software version, TBOX software version, and ISA version. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.